So we're here at the Britannia Mine Museum. It's at Britannia Beach in British Columbia. This is an actual functioning mine, as you can see right behind me there. You get a full mine tour with mine carts, and you get some kind of theatrical show inside this huge mine, which is pretty crazy stuff. Now, one of the extra bonuses is free gold panning. That's right, you get to pan gold for free if you're a kid. You get a little baggie right there. You got some gold pans, and you get to find some gems. Let's see what he can get. So the key thing is, now we gotta do some swishing. So see all these bumps on the sides? That grabs the sand and swishes it. So I'll show you one quick little thing. So you go like this, right? Yeah, so like, see all these little grits? That's where it's gonna get caught in. We can do this until our wine trip.
Yay.
Yeah.
Look,
all right, let's
so,
get our...
I think that's good.
That might be too much. Yeah, so hold on like a little angle forward. Yeah, so it naturally kind of drips some out. And it's okay if you drip a whole bunch out and something falls out, right?
Because we can just pick it back up.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't really matter. And there's a whole bunch, right?
Yeah. Oh, I found some stuff.
What did you find?
Some black. So, Rose, I believe that's either Cavalite.
I'm panning for gold for a bit now. And step out to the wash and let's see what the little guy got.
Two gold nuggets when you were done.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see your collection so far.
5 gold nuggets.
Awesome, dude. So now we're off to the mine tour. And we're gonna go on an actual mine cart and see what the mines look like and how they function before we go into the giant building factory. Now Britannia Mines are right on Britannia Beach. That's the water right there and a tree, mountains. Old historical photos of what the miners look like.
Oh my god.
To your first 8-hour shift here at Britannia. Are you excited?
Woo!
Yes, that is what I like to hear. Very good. Now, our miners would start their day similar to the way that you did, above ground, and they would travel into the mine on a train. Now, sadly, their train was actually not as glamorous as the one you guys had. They had a man cart, which is essentially a large metal box that you would fit 12 men inside and all of their equipment. It had no windows, just one small air grate, and they would travel like that, squished inside for 45 minutes into the underground in complete darkness. Sounds like the best road trip ever, right? So to give you a true and authentic experience of a Britannia miner, I'm going to be taking us into the dark. If you are a little bit weary of the dark, just take a look to your right, because there will always be a light at the end of the tunnel. All right, going dark in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, nice. Turn your phone on. Too much light.
Stick this candle to the side of the tunnel, like so, and they would get to work. And this is how you would live for 8 hours of your day, working with your partner shoveling this rock by candlelight.
Great.
But because these are a little bit old, our flint striker, oh, this one's really not. Ah, that's what I like.
Ooh.
So you can see this light can get to about 3 to 4 inches at a time, depending on how well they work. But already it's a lot better of a light than our candles, even when it's really tiny like this. See, that's what I like. And they can get pretty warm. Metal heats up, metal gets warm. And which is why I'm wearing my lovely fire protective gloves here. Like I said, they can often catch fire and send it off to the mill for processing. Now, once this area was clear, I'd be able to bring in that jackleg drill again so I could drill some more holes and fill it with dynamite so I could blast away more tunnel for the next 8-hour shift. And that's essentially what you guys will do down here for 8 hours. Muck, drill, blast, muck, drill, blast, muck, drill, blast, forever and ever. Sounds like fun, right? You do have a few other odd jobs, like laying down some more track, fortifying the walls, or bringing in some more air hoses. But your main tasks down here are to muck, drill, and blast, and explore more of that tunnel and get more of that ore so we can get more copper. Shovel this muck the old-fashioned way with an authentic muck stick, aka a shovel, or I get to show you how the mucking machine works.
Oh, yeah.
Anyone for the shovel?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. No shovel. Anyone for the mucking machine?
Hey!
Yes, very good. Okay, so this will be our second loud noise. Everyone's going to cover their ears one more time. And that's our drill. Now our mucking machine is also air powered, so we're going to turn on our air. And loud noise in 3, 2, 1. It's pretty awesome. It is a very popular drill and actually still used in small mining operations around the world today, which means we can actually buy parts to fix our drill, which means that ours still works. 3, 2, 1. Alright. But I'll let you in on a piece of secret. I actually wasn't hitting any rock. In fact, if this drill did hit some rock, it would actually be 2 to 3 times louder than that. And do you think they had just one of these operating at a time? No, that would be very inefficient. They had several drills operating at the same time. So down here got really, really loud. And they didn't have ear protection for a very long time. So hearing loss was always an issue for our miners in Britannia.
Yay! Woo!
Now to signal to give shop that we made it out okay, I will be blowing our shift whistle. So, this will be our third and final loud noise of the day. Gonna get everybody to pull up their ears nice and tight. This one gets pretty loud. Alright, are we ready? In 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! And it rains on you just a little bit. Extra surprise.
So this is some of the cores, row. Look at all the different core samples they have from different testings. Crazy, eh? So they dig that out and they're like, okay, look, we got some of this stuff inside this area.
That mill burnt down due to it being a completely wood construction. Same with mill number 1, so mill number 3 was completely made out of steel and concrete instead.
That's a lot larger than expected.
Couple more things. While the show is going, please keep your phones and cameras in your pocket. It's not only quite annoying if someone sits in front of you with a phone in front of your face, but it's also copyrighted material.
So this is inside a crew car for going mining. Yeah, it was really small. We're gonna come on the outside now. Let's see. They'd apparently drive for 45 minutes in here in the dark. That's a real dump truck, my son. That is a real machine that people use. Yes, indeed. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look how big the wheel is. What the heck? Yeah. There's always a bigger truck. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just want to let you know I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my stuff. I do it for the fun of it, really, and I really do appreciate it. So I just want to say again, thank you very much for watching it. Feel free to subscribe down here. Feel free to watch some of my favorite hikes up here, and some of my favorite videos about life up here, and my unboxings down there. So again, I do appreciate it. Have a good one.